The portal is an interaction that allows you to quickly enter a new space with a single click. There are two types of portal, sweep and showroom. The sweep portal is square and allows you to access the shortcuts saved in your navigation menu. The showroom portal is round and allows you to enter another showroom. To place a portal, click on the corresponding icon. Place your gate in the desired location. Then fill in the description of the portal, select the type of portal and click on Next. With the sweep, choose the shortcut related to your portal and validate. With the showroom, select the showroom you want to join with this portal, then the corresponding shortcut. Click on the portal in editor mode to move, modify, or delete it. Click on it in client mode to check that it is working properly. You will arrive on the expected shortcut or showroom.